going on? Just want to do an unboxing here. So, anybody can guess what's in this box? Of course you can. Alright. My unboxing knife. What do we have? The carburetor. Let's see. Toaster. What I think it is. Mike actually with a personal message here for me. I'm loving it. I have Singer out decal. Definitely gonna represent the product. Great product. I definitely rocks with it. It's just how it goes. There's so many companies out that's doing alternators. There are some great companies out there. This is definitely one of them. Hands down, one of the great companies. Yeah. Aw, shucks. That moment of truth, y'all. Alright, let's pull it out. Wow. I guess you guys want to see it, huh? You guys want to see the oat? Here it is. This is the alt that Mike hooked up for me. This terms and conditions. It's a lifetime warranty on labor, or 1 year on 1 year included on components. And once again, this is Mike Singer. It's a 180 amp hairpin alternator, but it's 206 amps. So it's time to have a little fun. Alright, triple tested, 100%, performance tested and approved. The windings, look at the windings in there. Then we're gonna move over. Smaller pulley. Windings are totally different on this one. And the charge post is a night and day difference. Right. Just a little insert to match this right here. Then this bracket right here is custom made for me to line up. So, you know, this man Mike, he definitely looked out for me. Mike really looked out for me. Where a lot of other companies was like, you know, you can buy this alt and you just have to figure out a way to modify it. I'm just showing you sorry for the sideways view. Trying to get y'all a better look. Alright. Alright. Versus the stock one. This is what happens when you put a bigger alt in the car. It's not a problem. It's nothing with this alternator, nothing with Singer. I'm very much aware of what I was getting myself into with this. Just trying to figure out what is it. Oh, I know what it's sitting on. It's sitting on the actual bracket itself. Okay. Take off all these belts. take this in with me. Get a quick visual on how long this boat is. So, like I said, I gotta get a boat about that long. About that long. Thread to there. It's about maybe a 2-inch, 2.5-inch boat. I can see that for sure. And I'll be ready to wire this baby up. Just hope it don't rain on me. Right. Singer for the win. Why is my engine running smoother? Yes, indeed. Got one groove left right there. Let me hurry up and get done with this video. I gotta go meet a guy by the box field, and I just beat the rain. Would you look at that? Mike, mad shouts. And I really appreciate it, man. Keep up the great work. If you guys are interested in the alts, Singer Alts, you just get on singeralts.com, or you can follow him on Instagram. He has a YouTube channel as well, Facebook, Google, phone book.